Have you ever noticed the warning about fluoride on your toothpaste? It's not there by chance, it's an important warning that you should definitely pay attention to. Fluoride, which is found in many common toothpastes, can actually be dangerous for your health if not used properly. For instance, children under 6 years old shouldn't use mouthwash with fluoride, and swallowing toothpaste with fluoride can be very harmful. In such cases, you should immediately go to a poison control center. Excessive fluoride intake can even lead to a serious bone disease known as skeletal fluorosis, which affects the bones and joints. That's a little scary, right? It's definitely something we need to be cautious about and try to avoid. Fluoride can also have detrimental effects on the nervous system, potentially causing cognitive and memory problems over time. In 2017, a significant report was published suggesting that exposure to fluoride before birth could lead to poor cognitive outcomes in the future. The researchers measured fluoride levels in several women during pregnancy and in their children between the ages of 6 and 12, finding concerning results. They tested cognitive ability at ages 4 and between 6 and 12. Higher fluoride levels were associated with lower scores on cognitive intelligence tests, indicating a clear negative impact. In 2014, fluoride was documented as a neurotoxin that could be dangerous for child development, along with other harmful industrial chemicals such as lead, arsenic, toluene, and methylmercury. According to the International Academy of Oral Toxicology and Medicine, an organization that campaigns against the use of added fluoride, it can also contribute to a variety of other health problems. For example, it can cause acne and other skin problems, which can be quite distressing. Cardiovascular problems, including arteriosclerosis and arterial calcification, are also linked to fluoride exposure. It can also lead to high blood pressure, myocardial damage, heart failure, and even heart attacks, posing serious risks to your heart health. Reproductive problems, such as low fertility and early puberty in girls, have also been associated with fluoride exposure. And fluoride can cause serious thyroid and lymphatic system problems, which can affect your overall health and well-being. Conditions affecting the joints and bones, such as osteoarthritis, bone cancer, and temporomandibular joint disorder, are also linked to fluoride. That's why it's a huge pleasure to introduce you to Ganofresh. This fluoride-free toothpaste, enriched with natural extracts, protects your teeth and gums naturally and effectively, without the risks associated with fluoride. Ganofresh strengthens enamel, reduces bleeding gums, relieves sensitivity, and keeps your mouth fresh and healthy thanks to its antiviral and antibacterial properties. Plus, Ganofresh can be used topically for bites, burns, and wounds, making it a versatile addition to your healthcare routine. Say goodbye to the dangers of fluoride and say hello to a brighter, healthier smile with Ganofresh. Ready to make the switch? Choose Ganofresh today and take a proactive step towards better dental health and overall well-being. Ganofresh not only leaves your teeth fluoride-free, it also has natural ingredients like Ganoderma extract. This unique formula ensures that you are using a product that is both effective and gentle on your teeth and gums. Ganoderma is known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, ideal for protecting your gums and keeping your teeth strong and healthy. Regular use can help prevent common dental issues and promote overall oral hygiene. In addition to taking care of your dental health, Ganofresh has a super refreshing mint flavor that you will love. This minty freshness not only invigorates your mouth, but also leaves you feeling confident throughout the day. Can you imagine starting the day with a feeling of freshness that lasts for hours? Ganofresh makes this possible, giving you a boost of confidence every morning. Don't wait any longer to try this amazing toothpaste. Join the many satisfied users who have made the switch to a more natural and effective dental care routine. Experience its benefits for yourself. Take care of your oral health in a natural and safe way with Ganofresh. Your smile deserves the best care possible. Oral health is super important for our overall well-being and quality of life. Using a fluoride-free toothpaste like Ganofresh is a great option to lower the amount of fluoride you put on your teeth and take better care of your health and your mouth. Ganofresh has top-quality ingredients that not only clean your teeth and protect your health, but also leave your gums healthy and your breath fresh. It's a natural way to maintain oral hygiene. Incorporate Ganofresh into your daily routine, and you will have a healthier and brighter smile. Consistency is key to achieving the best results. Try Ganofresh today and feel the difference. Your mouth will thank you for it.